It's been over 20 years. 20 years, Supreme. And this season, you're building an entire house. Not actually an entire house, a millennial house, like I think like young people live in those things now, and it's cool. But still, 20 years. But no Rubik's Cube? Come on. My favorite filmmaker, Wes Anderson, once said, "A good story connects two unrelated ideas into one." That's the thesis for this movie. My two unrelated ideas are Rubik's Cube and Supreme.
Hey, make sure you run this back so we know it's real.
A brief history. The Rubik's Cube was created by Erno Rubik in the year 1974. It took him over a month to solve his own puzzle. Very cool. Supreme was founded by James Jebbia in 1994. He stole the logo. The lady who created it said, "What a ridiculous clusterfuck of totally uncool jokers." Obviously stealing a logo is not that cool, but being called a clusterfuck of totally uncool jokers is very cool. When I say Rubik's Cube, you probably immediately think of the 3x3 puzzle, but actually there are hundreds of different types of puzzles. To name a few: 2x2, 4x4, 5x5, Megaminx, Pyraminx, Scube, and my personal favorite other than the 3x3, this thing. I don't remember the name, and look at how frickin' weird it is. Supreme is known for mainly making t-shirts, hats, sweatshirts, pants, shorts, but they're also very known for their accessories. These include boxing gloves, baseball bat, nunchucks, air horn, motorcycle, Bible stash box, matches, lighters, ashtrays, bike lock, bike, pump, compass, bolt cutters, crowbar, fire extinguisher, dog ball, harmonica, brick. God, I love the brick. A humble request. Oh, God. Oh, fuck, it's the wrong size. Dear Supreme, over the past 28 years of your existence, you guys have made some really cool shit. Some shit that inspired me to be myself, and not worry what others think about me. Love it or hate it, your logo means something different to everyone. To me, it means community. I feel a part of something, and that means something to me. I wanted to write you with a simple request. The coolest toy in my book is the Rubik's Cube. A child's toy that stumps adults. A series of algorithms are required to find a solution, and sometimes it can take hours. And for the best, it can take less than 5 seconds. For as iconic of a brand as you are, and iconic of a brand as Rubik's is, I would love it if you guys would collab. Very important. Don't collab with a Chinese knockoff. No shame to those amazing companies. But a Supreme collaboration with 3x3 magic plastic puzzle cube multicolored just sounds like shit. Humbly, and I understand this isn't a word, but you understand what I mean. Kent Heckle. Now, I may be dumb, but I'm not stupid. I'm very aware that Supreme doesn't give a shit about me, and I wouldn't expect them to. So, my only option here is to make my own. And one last thing, make sure you don't ever, under any circumstance, put your Rubik's Cube down solved. Because then there's no reason to solve it.